What if you were getting late for office and you locked yourself out? Or you have changed your residence and you don't have extra keys to share with your partner? Or even worse, you forgot your car keys inside and someone's waiting for you on dinner. Dr. Lock brings you 24/7 emergency locksmith services. At Dr. Lock, we can take care of all your locks problems and proudly provides the following services, including lockout services, lock repair, lock installations, lock rekey, lock replacement, car key cutting, car key programming, car key replacement, safe lockout services, garage door repairs, and installations. So, if you are living anywhere in San Diego metropolitan area, our technicians will be around in 20 minutes after we receive a call from you. For further details, please contact us at 619-368-4067 or email us at drlocksd@gmail.com. Dr. Lock, 324 Horton Plaza, San Diego, California, 92101. http:// www.drlocksd.com